Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. To get things started here, I just want to say that I don't actually know what this channel is. All I know is that I enjoy recording things, and I enjoy editing things, and so I'm just gonna do that, see what happens. Right now I'm on my way out to the garage because because I got some stuff to do. So we're coming out here and I'm just gonna film things and we'll see what happens. But yeah, I've got lights on in here, which you can, I don't know, probably not tell just because it's super bright anyway, because it's sunny outside. But we're gonna replace those with some nicer lights that I just bought. And then the garage is trashed right now. So I don't know yet. Either I'm gonna work on getting some of this stuff cleaned up, or I have this thing behind me that needs to be cleaned up because it is almost winter and it's getting cold and it needs to be put away. So these are the lights that we're gonna be using, and again, just using these to replace those little bulbs up there. So those should be way more than sufficient for the space here. So I'm gonna get this camera on a tripod and then we'll get these things installed. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, those lights made a huge difference in here. So I am excited about that because there weren't like a lot of dark spots, but now everything is just going to be bright in here. So I'm excited to see what these things look like at night. So after some thought, I decided I am going to tackle the car next. So one of the things I need to do is on this back wheel here, and I'll show it in just a sec, but I have some Fix-A-Flat from a while back. I had a flat tire and didn't notice that the Fix-A-Flat was not cleaned off of there. So I need to take care of that, and then I'll probably just start working on the interior. The outside needs to be done too, but I'm going to just run it through a car wash quick, and then I need to get it over to a detailer because I'm going to have them do a ceramic coat on it for me, mostly because I'm running out of time before winter gets here, and I want to make sure it gets done. So you know, next time maybe I'll do it myself, but for now I think it'd be good to have a detailer take care of it for me. It was either taking care of the car today, or as you can see, I got shelving kind of everywhere, and so and then all of our stuff is just sitting on the ground, so that'll be probably another day. But I gotta get all those shelves built and get stuff out of the way because it's in the way, and we need to get another car in here, and we can't do that. So yeah, time to get started on the Mustang. Well, that didn't quite go as planned. That stuff is still on there, and I was using mineral spirits, which is actually what they recommend on the website for Fix-A-Flat. So I think I'm just gonna take that, or mention that to the detailer when I bring it over there, or see if I can find some other things on the internet that might work. There are a couple other suggestions, but things that I don't have. So if you have any suggestions, let me know down in the comments. There's a couple other little spots too, but what a pain. So on to the interior of this bad boy. There's not much to clean in here. Like, it's just a little dusty and needs to be vacuumed and stuff. Anyway, yeah, time to get this thing cleaned out on the inside and then take it to the car wash. Alright, well now that the interior is clean, I'm gonna take this thing to the car wash just to get some of the dust off of it. It's not like terribly dirty or anything, but it does need to be clean. And I don't know if I mentioned it before, but with the so I said I was gonna get a ceramic coat, but I also need to do some paint correction in a couple areas, so that's kind of why I want to get it cleaned off, so it's easier to see everything when I bring it in. So I guess we'll drive this thing up the road, although I'm not going to be able to film much with it because it's a little bit hard to drive a manual transmission and film. So here we go. There we go. So it's possible. It's just, you know, not really all that feasible because now I have to set the camera down again. in order to turn. So I'm just curious, what do you guys do while you're sitting at the car wash? Like, obviously I'm sitting here holding a camera doing nothing, but like, do you just like turn on the radio or scroll through Facebook? Do you bring somebody with you so you can have a conversation? Let me know down in the comments what you do when you're at the car wash. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. I was able to get the car mostly cleaned up, ready for winter. I was able to get, ooh, I just passed a cop. Please don't pull me over. I was able to get those new lights installed, which turned out pretty great, and hit a big bump. So that was cool. But that's it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.